Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet for NFTs. First, ensure you have the Trust Wallet app installed and set up on your mobile device. Trust Wallet is a secure and convenient way to manage your digital assets, including non-fungible tokens. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started, from understanding supported networks to viewing your unique collectibles. Let's dive right into the process of navigating the NFT features within your wallet. Receiving an NFT in Trust Wallet is straightforward. Simply navigate to the Receive section, select the appropriate network, and copy your public wallet address. Share this address with the sender. When sending an NFT, go to the NFTs tab, select the collectible, and tap Send. You'll need the recipient's address and enough cryptocurrency for the network fee. Always verify the address carefully before confirming the transaction to ensure your NFT reaches its intended destination. Once your NFTs are in your Trust Wallet, viewing them is simple. Head over to the Collectibles or NFTs tab within the app. Here, you'll see a visual representation of all your digital assets. Tapping on an individual NFT will reveal more details, such as its unique identifier, contract address, and any associated properties. This dedicated section makes it easy to browse and appreciate your entire collection of non-fungible tokens, all in one secure place. Security is paramount when managing NFTs. Never share your wallet seed phrase with anyone and store it in a safe, offline location. Be extremely cautious of unsolicited offers or links, as phishing scams are common in the crypto space. Always verify the authenticity of any platform or transaction before proceeding. Remember, your vigilance is your best defense against potential threats. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.